Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your iPhone to your Ford EcoSport. First, ensure your iPhone's Bluetooth is active in its settings. Then, navigate to the Sync System menu in your vehicle. Choose the Add a Device option to begin pairing. Your sync screen will display a 6-digit PIN. Confirm this number matches the one on your iPhone to complete the secure connection. This process usually takes less than 1 minute. Connecting via USB offers reliable charging and direct media playback. Find the USB port, typically located in the center console or near the dashboard. Use a genuine Apple USB cable for the best connection. Once plugged in, your iPhone will start charging and might ask you to trust this computer. Accept this prompt. Then, simply select USB as your audio source on the sync screen to enjoy your music. For an enhanced experience, set up Apple CarPlay. After connecting your iPhone via USB, your phone will likely prompt you to enable CarPlay. Tap Enable on your iPhone screen. The familiar CarPlay interface will then seamlessly appear on your Ford EcoSport sync display. This allows you to safely access navigation, make calls, send messages, and enjoy your favorite apps using either the touchscreen or voice commands with Siri. If you encounter any connection issues, a few simple steps can help. First, ensure both your iPhone's operating system and your Ford EcoSport sync software are fully updated. Often, a quick restart of both your iPhone and the sync system can resolve minor glitches. If problems persist, try deleting any old Bluetooth pairings from both devices and starting fresh. Remember, using genuine Apple cables significantly improves connection stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.